Tim's Workshop. I made a video, earlier video on replacing the speaker in my 2001 Chevy Silverado. This video is on the door panel that I took off, showing how I went about putting it back on and explain the lessons learned as far as how to get it off and what I found and how to put it back together. So any of you that have a 2001 Chevy Silverado, hopefully you find this useful. If you do, subscribe, watch my other videos, and please leave comments, negative or positive. All right, thanks. All right, well, get the door panel out. See, it has slot hangers in various spots. So we're gonna go ahead and get the door hung. Light bulb goes in here. Not sure. Oh yeah, it still works. Okay. So let's get this door panel hung back up there. Make sure the light doesn't get hung up. All right. Okay, it's in there. Plug this back in. Okay. Cool. Okay. Now this. Let's fish through the tweeter wire first. There we go. There's a tweeter. Speaker. Okay. So I got to get a couple screws to screw this in with. Somebody had taken it off before I even started on it, so when I took this off it was just hanging there. So we'll fix that before I put the top cover over the speaker. And let's see. Okay. And the cord for the control. There it is. Snap it together. Okay. Then it has this that goes in here. This slides on that. So we got a couple notches there. We got to get them in there. And there we go. Then we have a one screw that goes in here. Bolt. Interior type bolt. Goes on there like that. Cool. Then this goes up here. That goes in there first. Okay. This is the unlock switch. There we go. Cool. Lock, unlock, okay. All right, that's got to get screwed on. There's one more screw down in the bottom here that comes up through the bottom. I have to locate that. So this goes in there like that. Screw goes in the bottom. You can go ahead. This can go ahead and go back in anyway. And this is the cover that goes over the speakers. We'll put that on after I screw that back on. Other than that, that's it.